Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I'm also great. Everything is well. By God bless. I was telling you yesterday, this is my third video, solo video. Okay. So I was telling yesterday you, I sold egg 2 years. After 2 years, I left egg business. Do you know why? Because I wanted more than that. Are you 50 rupees, sometimes 40 rupees at that time, 30 years, 32, 33 years ago? It is that not enough for our life. I, I wanted to big businessman. I wanted huge amount. That's why I left egg business. Then after left business, I moved Varanasi. Do you know Varanasi city? There used to live my brother-in-law. I did talk them and I told every my story. I said them I want much more money. 50 rupees, 45 rupees. It is not a big amount. So I want become a rich man. So my brother-in-law told you can sell sari because Varanasi sari was very famous. So I did start for sari business at that time. Maybe I had something 50,000 rupees at that time. I saved at that time 50,000. So I did start sari business. I used to buy inside Varanasi. I used to sell uh, surrounding Varanasi shopkeeper. I sell sari 2 years, 3 years maybe. I forget everything exactly number 2 year or 3 years. Then there uh, I met friends lot of. After 3 years, my one friend told, sir, if you are selling in Varanasi nearby, it is a very less profit. If you sell Mumbai, if you go to Mumbai, if you sell there, you can earn too much money. So at that time, I uh, I decide we should go Mumbai. I took I took one big bag. I put lot of sari inside bag, two bag. I had at that time two bag. I took two bag. I put inside sari. I brought Mumbai. After that, inside Mumbai, I visit I visited every shopkeeper. At that time, I used to told at that time, it is a Banarsi sari. It is a Banarsi sari. Okay. So my profit had good at that time. After that, actually, I want much more money. That's why I did I did take a risk. One shopkeeper in Malad Municipal Market, he told, I will give 50 rupees extra, but I want 5 lakh price goods. I agreed at that time. I agree. Okay, I will give. But I want money cash. Maybe this point is 20 year ago, 27 years. At that time, I used to browse sari by hand. I used to sell every shopkeeper. So, bro, I took inside Mumbai, inside Varanasi, I took lot of bro. I I gave everything. One shopkeeper at that time 5 lakh rupees. Shopkeeper, maybe name is Mukesh Collection. Shopkeeper gave check 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Because at that time he did give good profit. Every check after 20 days, 20 days, 20 days. I took at that time 5 lakh rupees check, but unfortunately, after collecting good, he went village shopkeeper. After 20 days, I uh, check, I put inside bank my account, every check return. I was very worried. Shopkeeper already has gone village. There every worker, I went many times. Where Mukesh Bhai? Mukesh Bhai already went village. He will, when will come? I asked them, when will come? I don't know, bro. When will come? What happened? I told, sir, check is written. Every worker, please said when will come. Every money will give cash. No need to worry. After 2 months, Mukesh bro will come from. Uh, after 2 months, Mukesh came in the shop. I went there. I sit there. He shopkeeper told Sikandar bhai, don't worry. I will give return every money. But now I had a big problem. My mother is very ill. That's why I will go after 2 days. Next, I came here for money arrange. I I I took every goods borrow inside Varanasi. Every shopkeeper, my shopkeeper told Sikandar bhai, I want money because uh, I said there I will give cash, but unfortunately Mukesh bhai was a big cheater. My money already everything has gone 5 lakh rupees. At that time I was not able to go Varanasi. I was not able to leave Mumbai because Mumbai is very expensive. I had nothing. I was totally zero. At that time, I faced many problem, bro. I faced many problem. I had not any money for it. I had not money any rupees for live in Mumbai. But fortunately, one my friend, neighbor, villager friend was living in Mumbai. I connect them. I I did connect them. Then he came with me, Mukesh Kumar Sop. He told everything shopkeeper and worker. After that, shopkeeper gave 10,000 rupees. But it is not enough for me because minimum 3 lakh I used to I used take borrow. 10,000 is not I am not able to go Varanasi. Then in Mumbai, I went Mumra. Mumra is a big city in Mumbai. There I took one room. At that time rent is only 2,000. I gave for 1 month rent for 2,000. You can say hut, jhopla. I took one jhopla there. I used to live there. I used and after that I went one relation maybe my brother-in-law used to live in Mumbai. He does sell dupatta. I consult them. Then he did avoid me, and uh, he did he told me you can sell dupatta because it is a very if you haven't money then you can eat easily. You can live easily in Mumbai because he knows everything for me. He Sikandar Bhai right now not able to go in Varanasi and he had very difficult point. So I took 5,000 dupatta, 5,000 rupees dupatta I took. I I sell inside footpath. I used to sell footpath side. After that, my parents, my brother used to live Varanasi. Every sup- every every shopkeeper, every vyapari used to go in my home. Vyapari does disturb my parents anytime. We are gone, Sikandar. We are gone, Sikandar. I wanted to money. I want money. I wanted to money. I at that time I thought I can take parents. I told everyone, please will come in Mumbai. I I haven't anything. Only I have problem. I can't give money. Their return after 2 months, 3 months. Everyone reached Mumbai. I had one heart. I did start dupatta business on footpath. I took one machine, stitching machine inside home for wedding, for stitching, for moti work. Does my family everything inside home? And I did start new business. Gradually, day by day, increased my business. I returned every shopkeeper money. I returned already. I returned every shopkeeper money, but my money already gone. 5 lakh rupees I wasted money and 5 years time I waste. Okay, but now I am stable. By God bless, I am dupatta wholesaler in Mumbai. So if you have difficult time, if you face lot of problem, guys, no need to worry. You should not give up. Keep hard work. You, if you have honesty, if you are hard worker, 100% you can get everything. So that's why I was telling that no need to worry if you have difficult time. But you should have one goal, important goal. If you want become a rich man, if you have goal, 100% you can reach that position. I would, I want to say one point for you guys. Actually, everyone, people have different quality, different ability. You should recognize self ability first of all. If you feel I am as a singer, I am like a singer. If you feel I am like a cricketer, if you feel I am like a politician, you should go that way. First of all, you should recognize self ability. I am 50-year old, as you know, but one day I felt I can learn English. If you fail, I am able to that work. If you fail, I am able to uh, politician. If you fail, I am able to singer. If you fail, I am able to cricketer. You should choose that skill. Will be better for you. Okay. As you know, I did class 6 only in Hindi medium. But I felt, I felt I can learn. I can talk in English. So I did try. Because sometime some buyer come in the shop and speak English. At that time I felt very bad. I was I was thinking he has two eyes. I have two eyes. He has one tongue. He has one tongue. He has two hands. I have two hands. He is he can speak English. Why not I can speak English? I felt fire. I felt. Then I did a start for learning speak English. So I want to say that bro, guys, my younger, first of all, you should recognize self ability. Then you can start for talk, for learn, for work, for go, everything depend on your time. Okay. Nowadays I establish everything. Nowadays I had problem at that time. I was alone. But I established everything. My surrounding, my son, 22 year, my younger brother, 35 year. But when I had problem, at that time I was faced alone. But I don't give up. Everything possible, everything able to do that, everything you can do. No need to worry, no need to frustrate. I know you have difficult time. It's happened. E- Everyone has, everyone have faced, everyone. If you speak English, you have to face problem. But consistency key of success. I failed sari business. I failed already. I failed sari business. But I left Mumbai. I I, I could not success. I can't succeed, you can say. In sari business, I could not succeed. But I know I lost here. I will earn here. I will not go return Varanasi. So where will be loss, you can earn that mileage 100%. So today is enough, bro. I will return tomorrow. I will talk tomorrow. I have a big struggle story. I will share tomorrow. Thank you so much. Please watch my watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Okay. So I want to say one point. If I make mistake, please forgive me because I am learner. I haven't education. I haven't big vocab, lot of cab. I am as like a beginner. That's why. Please, if I make mistake, forgive me. Forgive me. Thank you so much.